Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to solve and find all the solutions for this equation from 0 to 2 pi. So we're given the equation 2 cosine of theta is equal to negative square root of 2. Now, in order to know this, in order to do well with this, we need to know what the unit circle is, and we need to know specifically the first quadrant, some of its main points. And so there's three big ones, and they are the pi over 6, the pi over 4, and the pi over 3 marks. And we need to know what the xy coordinates are for those different sort of partitions of the unit circle. Now, we'll get back to that. Right now, though, let's go to the equation. In order to solve this, we need to get cosine by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. When that's the case, we're looking at cosine of theta is equal to negative root 2 over 2. Now, what we need to remember or keep in our minds is that whenever we see cosine, we need to be thinking about the x-axis. And so what we're going to do is go to the unit circle, back to the unit circle here, and on the x-axis, where do we have a value of negative root 2 over 2? And so that's going to be right here. So this is the x value and we're just kind of throwing it out there, like maybe it's like, negative root 2 over 2. It doesn't matter specifically if it's like that's precisely where it is, but we just want to get an idea of where it is. And so where this intersects the unit circle is where this really matters. And so this is where it's helpful to know the different sort of standard points of pi over 6, pi over 4, and pi over 3. For example, pi over 4 is root 2 over 2, comma, root 2 over 2. And that's the only one that has any root 2 over 2's. So what that means is that this point is going to be, whoops, lost my pen, there we go, is going to be not 1 pi over 4. This is 2 pi over 4, but that's something else. This is 3 pi over 4, so 3 pi over 4. That's going to be one of the solutions. The next one is not going to be this because that's just pi, so we're going to keep going down to here. So let's put stars here and here, and this is 1 pi over 4 after pi, so that's 5 pi over 4. Therefore, our two solutions to this are going to be 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4.